Okay, I have to record another time I did something wrong. So I was speaking in my video. I was speaking about that big ABC down, this big ABC down, which is the long-term view. And you see, we went through the 61.8 that was holding since 2016 here. It's very important because we could post, sorry, on the long term, a phase breakout of this 61.8. If we look at the quarterly time frame, which is the time frame of that ABC down, we could very well post a phase breakout, and that would be a very bullish signal for the Euro USD, which is what I'm looking for. So that's one point. We broke through it. We didn't touch this level. If we would go lower, for any reason, the next big area to look at is this one here. So that's what we have on the roadmap. If not, then we look at the smaller ABC down. So I will hide that one here. And we look at the ABC down. I will hide this one too. We look at that ABC down here. So this ABC down, which is there, which is what I already posted to you many times on Twitter, is the one that is actually in control. What is very important there is that ABC down price went right to the one-to-one extension, which is normally the end in 80% of the case of the ABC. You can see the 1 to 72, but normally this one is already a very important level where we can bounce from it, and that's why I've been long from there. So now, what have we done? Let's go back to the regular candle and we look at what we did there. What we did is we went down, we touched the one-to-one extension, we bounced from it, came back to the 50% here, pulled back from it, and we had some strong level here. You remember we have a strong wall there of support and resistances, weekly, monthly, blah, blah, blah. So a lot of things that are potentially happening there. Sorry, at the same time I'm trading. So what happened this morning is that, and that's what I'm just speaking about in the Twitter feed, and if you follow, you know that. What happened this morning? On the London Open, we had this impulsive move down. We went here, it's just post a phase breakout, and we bounce back from it. Now, the very important thing is what will happen on this 76.40 at 101,485. And if we retest this one and bounce from it, then we are running back on the upside after posting this phase breakout there. You see it on an hourly, it's very clear. Look at this candle here. And the other important thing is that we posted that move right on the time channel start at 7:30 GMT. That's what happened there. So we went down, London Open, phase break, potential phase breakdown, and we bounced right on the time channel start here and broke back above the breakpoint. So it's very important to look at this and to look what will happen here, because if we respect, which is what I think would happen, if we respect that level here, then we can run back to the 61.8 here, and we could even run back higher to the 50% again, which is there. So that's what we need to look at, because time-wise, it's possible we have this. If we don't confirm that phase breakout, sorry for that, if we don't confirm, Jesus, if we don't confirm this phase breakout, then I think we will, but if we don't, then we have the 78.6 fib here, which is key. And we see that this one has already, this area of 76.40, 78.6 has already been proving in several occasions that it's really a key area. And then if we would break lower, then we would perhaps look back for a double bottom on the one-to-one extension or something like this. I don't think we will do that now, but that's always important to be open-minded on different option and not let analysis be stronger than the observation. So very important to look at the price action right now with this potential phase break, which could lead to continuation on the upside, break the 50%, and in that case, look for the 38.2 and even higher. If we look from a long-term perspective, you see that this the very big, let me put it on a bigger time frame. The bottom of that the top, not the top, but the B of that ABC down. This B is exactly the 50% of the other one. So that's why this level would be crucial when we would go back there. It's far away from now. It's a few hundred pips, but that would be very important to see what would happen here, because a break above here would open the road to the 120. Okay, so that's where we are now, and I wanted to point with you the importance of the price action on the actual level and of that potential phase breakout we just spoke about. If we go back inside this weekly thing, so if we look at this is very, very important to see what will happen there on the back test of this one if we do phase breakout, potential phase breakout inside a bullish channel right on the time channel open.